All by myself, don't wanna be all by myself anymore. All by myself, don't wanna be. For myself, I wanna be by myself anymore, by myself anymore, by myself anymore.
When we think about vocal titans in the Philippines, specific legendary names instantly come to my mind. We think of the energy of Gary V, the unmatched power of Jed Madela, and of course, the Asia's songbird herself, Regine Velasquez. At syempre, marami pang iba. Ilan lamang sila sa mga haligi na nagtakda ng standard pagdating sa kantahan. Sila ang kahulugan ng nag-iisang vocal titan ng bawat Pilipino. For decades, the title belonged exclusively to the icons of OPM ballads. But as time changed, a new genre rose, and with it, a new monster talent emerged to claim his own throne. Pagdating sa modernong panahon, pagdating sa mundo ng P-pop, may isang pangalan na gigising sa natutulog mong sistema. Ladies and gentlemen, he is bridging the gap between the legends of the past and the future of global Filipino music. Walang iba, from SB19, Estel Ahero, the undisputed vocal titan of P-pop.
No wizard that there is no us is ever gonna bring.
But wait, before he became this terrifying vocal powerhouse, who exactly is he? If you look at his personality, you wouldn't expect the monster talent hiding inside. Sobrang kulit, walang preno ang bibig, at daig pa ang stand-up comedian kung magpatawa. He's the life of the party, always cracking jokes and making everyone laugh. But behind that bright smile and comedic timing lies a story of absolute grit. He wasn't born a superstar. He was forged in the fires of rejection and endless training. There was a time when the world didn't care about their music. Imagine reading thousands of comments telling you to stop because you're not good enough or not attractive enough. Ang sakit nun, di ba? There were nights of self-doubt. Stel faced heavy criticism, but he chose to carry the weight of the group's dream on his shoulders. He cried in the dark so he could shine under the spotlights. Every tear he shed became the fuel for his transformation. He didn't break. He built a fortress out of those stones thrown at him.
It is a difficult song.
It's a hard key.
I like it. However, there won't be many other parts of the world in which you see a pop idol attempting
this.
these songs.
Do this.
But now we have found the boy, the man, the one who delivers, the star boy, Still.
I'll be here the whole night. I'll be here 'cause I care.
It's different
Oh,
leagues.
come on.
Yeah, I know
But you see what I mean?
care.
Bringing it down to your
I
chest.
know nothing can
And to the back of the room.
matter.
This guy is just
When
technically
something
perfect.
matters to you.
See, look at that rounding.
I'll take my pride standing for you.
Oh my God.
No, I'm not blind. Just seeing it through. You take my life just for the thrill. But I'll take tonight and die on this hill. I love ways.
Damn.
The best pop idol in the world. I swear to you.
Somebody commented, fine as fuck.
What mineral is that on the periodic table? Fine as fuck. You know?
I will have to say, this is what I was talking about. This is the type of songs.
Sobrang.
Sobrang galing. So, it's like so big. Okay, what I love about this,
Everything else is basura, bro.
honestly,
In the pop industry. Sorry.
no, you're correct.
Basura!
Please get passionate. I love this passion. But yeah, this is what I'm saying. When you bring these songs that are so emotionally heavy, you need to send that emotion somewhere, and it can't be to the chest. It can't be up here in your larynx. You have to bring it down. So you find anchoring through that, because when you find anchoring, when you bring the larynx down, as well as when you create a bit of a pulley, so you're pulling up, but you're also creating weight down towards your chest to create resonance, the emotion magnifies. So it stops being a shout, a cry for help, and it becomes something that is so big that it doesn't fit within you, and it has to be sung. So Estelle is the best example of that. And actually, you can see him come back from that emotional expenditure
At the end.
At the end.
Yeah.
Now, let's talk about his illegal superpower. Most balladers stand completely still when hitting high notes because they need proper beat control. Pero si Stel, he completely defies physics. Habang humahataw ng sobrang liyad at sayaw na pang international level, biglang bibirit si Stel. Paano? Saan nanggagaling yung hangin niya? His vocal stability while dancing is absolute wizardry. It's one thing to have a great voice, but to have flawless breath control while doing intense choreography, that is the hallmark of a true master.
Easy. This is my last night with you. Savor every bit of it, 'cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one left behind. Nasabi ko ang lahat noon ay may magbabago ba sa aking bawat paghinga. Dalangin makapiling ka. At kung ito na ang huli, nais kong malaman mo na. Mahal kita. Let it do the damage. Willow kiss savage. Oh, keep 'em singing now. Tragic, no pain the whole time. I'm done, I'm letting go. Hey, this gone, let you know. Hey, dead luck, it's the last draw. Watch me run and lose control.
So, why exactly does Estel deserve the title Vocal Titan of the Philippines? It's not just because he can sing high. It's because his vocal architecture is built like a fortress. Hindi lang siya basta biritero na umaasa sa sigaw. His low register is warm and supported. His mixed voice is incredibly resonant. And his head voice, absolutely pristine. When vocal experts look at him, they don't just hear a pop star. They see a technician. He has a masterfully bridged the gap between classic, raw Filipino belting and healthy, modern global vocal techniques. Tignan mo na lang yung lalamunan niya kapag bumibirit. Sobrang grabe. Akala mo, puputok na. It's insane vocal health and longevity. It is where he sets a completely new benchmark. Historically, our vocal titans were balladeers who commanded the stage through presence and sheer vocal power while standing by a mic stand. Estel completely changes the rules of the game. Siya yung patunay na pwedeng-pwede mong pagsabayin ang world-class dancing at legendary tier singing. He didn't just inherit the crown from OPM royalty. In-upgrade niya ito papunta sa global stage. Beyond the high notes, it's his artistry. He has the agility of a pop icon and the emotional depth of a seasoned theater actor. Every run, every vibrato, and every whisper tells a story. Kapag ka kumanta si Estel, hindi lang tenga mo ang mayayanig. Papatakan ka talaga ng luha sa bigat ng emosyon. Talagang mapapaiyak ka at mapapasabi kang, buti, napanood ko si Estel Ahero. Proud akong maging isang Pilipino. He commands the stage. He owns the room. He stands shoulder to shoulder with the legendary vocal icons of our country. This is no longer just a local talent. This is a modern musical phenomenon. This is why Estel Ahero is the undisputed vocal titan of his generation. Ngunit pakatandaan natin, the vocal titan are never handed out for free. Hindi ito isang gabing pinaghirapan lamang. Estel didn't wake up one day with a voice that could shake stadiums. He built it, R by R, note by note. Dugo, pawis, at walang katapusang puyat ang naging puhunan niya. Maraming beses siyang nanggaling sa zero. Maraming beses na walang pumupuri o pumapalakpak. walang nanonood. Pero hindi siya huminto. Behind the effortless belts and the flawless dance moves are years of hidden sacrifices. He showed us the greatness is not about having a perfect start. It is about having the courage to keep showing up even when the stage feels completely dark. Kaya kung nasaan ka man ngayon o anuman ang pinagdadaanan mo, makinig ka. Huwag na huwag kang susuko. Your breakthrough is coming. Keep pushing forward. Keep grinding and keep singing your own song. Dahil isang araw, the world will finally hear you. Muli, si Stel, ang isang buhay na patunay na kapag inaral at minahal mo ang mga bagay na gusto mo, malayo ang mararating mo. Huwag na huwag mo ding kalimutan na humingi ng guidance sa mga taong mahal mo at sa Diyos Ama.